Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing my notes on DC machines in which we will discuss about its definition, construction and its working, which will help you a lot in competitive exams as well as in end semester exams. Hope you all like this video, and if you like this video then please do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now let's get started the video. DC machines is a highly versatile energy conversion device. It can meet the demands of loads requiring high starting torque, high accelerating and deaccelerating torque. In normal DC machines, stator core is not laminated, armature current is. However, laminated always to reduce eddy current losses. DC motors are almost universally employed in steel and aluminum rolling mills, power shovels, electric elevators, railroad, locomotive, etc. Constructional diagram of DC machines. It helps you to better understand the constructional details of DC machines. In this picture, we can see all the parts clearly. Construction. Now the constructional details of DC machines. It mainly consists of 4 parts. First, the field system. It is to provide a uniform magnetic field within which armature rotates. Electromagnets are preferred in comparison with permanent magnets on account of its greater magnetic effects and its field strength regulation. It consists of 4 parts: yoke, pole cores, pole shoes, magnetizing coil. Second, armature core. It is to rotate conductor in magnetic uniform field. The cores are made of high permeability silicon steel stamping. The use of high grade steel is made to keep hysteresis loss low and to reduce eddy current in the core. Third, commutator. It is a form of rotating switch placed between the armature and the external circuit, and so arranged that it will reverse the connection with the external circuit at the instant of each reversal of current in the armature. Fourth, brushes and brush gear. The function of brushes is to collect current from the commutator and supply it to the external load circuit. It is placed in brush holders, and the DC machines are look like this, as you can see in this picture. DC generator. This is the image of DC generator, which is the type of DC machine. In this, all the parts of DC generator shown clearly. They are brush, commutator, yoke, pole shoe, field winding, shaft, armature, seal, ball bearing, etc. DC motor. This is the image of DC motor, which is also the type of DC machines. The construction of DC motor is similar to the construction of DC generator. Working principle of DC machine. When current carrying conductor is placed in magnetic field, it experiences a force, and direction of that force can be found by Fleming's left hand rule. DC machines are basically run in DC supply. There are 2 rules in DC machines: Fleming left hand rules, Fleming right hand rules. By Fleming's right hand rule, DC generators are working. In generators, we supply magnetic field and mechanic motion. By this, EMF will be induced in armature counter mechanic operation will happen in armature. To nullify it, we supply additional mechanical motion which will convert as EMF. EMF induced in the armature coil is governed by Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. The principle in motor is opposite. Here we supply magnetic field and armature supply. Because of this, back EMF will be generated. To nullify back EMF, DC motors take extra power supply, which will convert it into the rotational motion. This is how DC machine works. The working difference between the generators and motor is that motor works on Fleming's left-hand rules while generator will work on Fleming's right-hand rules.